HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art.
Hey kids! Today we're going to draw and paint a bulldozer. Start with the outline, a few zigzag lines for the bucket, some circles for the wheels, let's complete the bucket with a cute smile. Few windows and a roof. Oh, this roof looks like a helmet. Don't forget the eyes. A few details here and there. Wonderful! Now let's draw a few straight lines and some horizontal ones. Hey kids, can you find different shapes hidden in this bulldozer? Yay! It's time to paint now. Let's start with some sparkling yellow color for the helmet, followed by a gorgeous orange. For the pipes, we are using red and green. Hello, let's use sparkling yellow. Keep painting. Be careful, don't spill any color in the bulldozer's eyes. This beautiful yellow is making the design shine. Time for some glittery sky blue. Woohoo! Some red on the sides. Time for some orange. Switch back to yellow for the smiling bucket. You're doing a great job! Now use some sparkling black. And some pink. Look how the pink is glowing besides the black color. Let's use green for the wheels. And brown for the center. Very nice! We're almost done. Some red for the pipe. And lastly, green. And here is our colorful, sparkling bulldozer. See you next time.